What's going on, everybody? Back out here again. I'm talking about on Sunday, man. Caught a turtle today. Get ready to let him go in the stream or whatever. I caught him over there. I don't know what the hell he was trying to damn do. Right there in the middle of the damn walkway. Now we get on that damn backhoe, that damn bulldozer is over with for him. You feel me? So I'm gonna put him down here in that water. He don't want that bulldozer. I'm gonna let him go. Go ahead on, Playboy. I know you got shit to do. I got shit to do too. Go on about your business. Well, damn. Damn. I don't know why the hell I was expecting him to swim the fuck off or some shit like that, man. Damn. Well, I guess that's over with. Y'all have a good day.